All right, we're gonna give this a go. It's my first ride since having my 10-speed kit installed. So I'm getting some tunes to ride to. So we're gonna try. I've got the bike in class 2 right now. So we'll see how that goes. Probably gonna do pedal assist level 2 and we'll play around with it. Let's kill the lights here. Okay, so, let's turn on some lights here. All right, I'm gonna get some tunes going, so I don't know how well I'm gonna be heard, but right now in pedal assist level 2, and I'm all the way on my lowest gear, and cruising right along at about 13 miles an hour. So, if I kick it up to level 3, see how fast I can get going. I'm up to 20 and I'm not breaking it. Not really putting much effort into it. Alright. You can just hang out right there. Again, I'm in the first gear, highest resistance. We're at the lowest gear. Oh, yeah. Looks like I got a car on the wrong side of the road here. But you know, cyclists are the problem. Oh, I wish I would have brought my goggles. I didn't think I'd be out this late. So I had to adjust the brake over here, and I'm wondering if I can make it go any lower. It feels high. Probably what I need to do is really just make this one a little higher so they feel even. I knew I'd have to adjust some stuff. I'm gonna have to turn my grips. Oh, there. Just a little physical exertion, got that. Alright, going up a hill, really not having to work for it. I think I'm going to click down to level 2 pedal assist. Got a pretty flat ride home. I got one big hill on my way home, so we'll see what it's like. Pedal assist. Class level 2. Big bump. Shifting up a gear. Alright, doesn't know what to make of me, so taking a sweet time. With a pocket full of shells. Alright, so going up a hill here. Definitely could use some more pedal assist there. But I'm gonna turn it off. I'm just gonna rock this like a 10-speed bike with a big ass headlight. See how that rocks until I get to this hill. Alright. Well, it's working. I am definitely hopping a gear. I have to tweak some stuff. Always do. Alright, so we blew a water main here. And we did a really horrible job of patching the hole we made. Alright, so I'm going to click up my pedal assist here all the way and see what going up this hill is. Already at 16. Not even making an effort here with my pedaling. I'm going to start shifting into lower. What happens if I go to 3? Definitely lose energy. Not getting 100%. Gonna have to work for it. Alright. I'm not sure if I'm gonna want to ever ride up that hill without any power behind me. Gotta hurry up to that stop sign, yo! Gotta hurry up to that stop sign. Oh, count to 3. Alright. So definitely not getting a kick off of the stop like I used to. Oh, here's where the other water main break was on the same road 3 weeks ago. Did as great a job patching that. But I'm sure nothing's wrong with our infrastructure. Everything's fine. We are home. Get up this hill. All right. Yeah. Oh. All right. We are home.